So this is an air raid shelter for military chiefs next to a poison gas factory on the island of rabbits. And there's a rabbit. And there's another rabbit. And here's the entrance right here. Okay, so this is an air raid shelter with a rabbit in it on the island of the rabbits. Let's check this out. Alrighty. So this is an air raid shelter for officers and important people. Oh, cool. Oops. Nearly lost an eye on that. Just gotta watch out for nails and shit. And this is the way out the other side. So this is next to the poison gas factory. And this would be for officers working in the poison gas factory to seek refuge in an air raid. That looks like an old, well, maybe an original bench for it. Tree roots growing out of the ceiling. Room for 30 people or so. And back out the way I came.
Are you okay?
Fucking cool, man. Fucking cool.
What's in there?